Ooh, the land of plenty with these grapes. It's just overflowing. I think I'm gonna trellis it up. Look at that. Wow. I see a weed in there I'm gonna pull out. And it looks good. Alright, these are my muscadine grapes. I have a couple of different varieties. There's Carlos in here, one's Pam, and then Succanobs. But they're still in the pot. Imagine when I plant them in the ground like those, they took off. Those are just red grapes over there. They're not muscadine, but they're red grapes. Corn. We have seed potatoes. I'm gonna plant them. Oh my, did y'all see that? It's a frog. It's a frog. Potatoes, red potatoes, white potatoes are all in here. I did one, so you can see. See it? So put it back. One. Here's the rosemary. And this sage has been in this pot for an extended period of time. I mean years. It keeps coming back. I could have just put it in the ground, I guess, because I think the roots have established in the ground. See that rooty part? It is great for soups and turkey wings, or turkey fries, chicken. There's squash. Alright guys, I'm finished for the day. I'm nice and dirty. Let me see if you can see all of that. I accomplished a lot. I got the squash in the ground, the corn, tomatoes, and I planted some rosemary, and then I mulched and put down compost and peat moss. And I also worked on Gracie's corner. So I had a full day of work, out here in the yard for hours. And I worked on the grapevine. So it's coming along. I still have more to do, but it will get done. I hope you have a happy growing season. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.